Exactly. We cannot let Nefarious overuse the Dimensionator. We must lower his defenses. Nefarious.
Other aliens. Alright. You're such a big old.
Oh dear, he is targeting us. His defenses are weakening.
That's good. What? What are you looking? You better keep on. I swear. Alright, get back in there. Last time what? You're dancing, but you're about to explode. You're flaming.
I mean, yeah?
Well, think again! We're going to a dimension where I always win, so you can finally know how it feels.
Okay.
The dimensions are weakening considerably. How bad is it?
Why?
Well, it is certainly not good. Great.
We got dragon flying. Why is this so cool?
It's me.
Oh, I can actually steer. That wasn't one. Pirates! Army team.
Get off me, ship!
Go! And they're just throwing this thing around.
Did I do it? Oh, what is this? What's with all the neon?
This is the part where you lose. Ratchet, the Dimensionator.
Hit him with that beat. Oh. Damn. Hold up. Homie, that was a worldwide explosion.
Ratchet.
And the world can't end from that?
Oh dear, my arm. And no. The dimension.
He can't move his legs or arms. He's handicapped. Like, what?
Done.
What have you done?
Rivet.
Who are you?
Someone with a lot of questions. Let's go for a ride.
Wait, I have to find my friend.
Yeah, I don't think she cares. I guess they were all transported to different places.
It's me? It's me!
No, it's not. Well, it is you, but a different dimension you, where he isn't a loser. Okay?
Emperor Nefarious, you have returned early from your conquest.
How are you that stupid you don't realize he looks different? Like, probably a bit shorter. Like, cause that guy in the statue, he seems big. He seems big. Like, he seems like an actual winner. So, like, I don't know what to tell you, but for a robot, you seem kind of dumb. I guess this is the dimension where Nefarious wins. But you really have a Ratchet and Clank to stop him, so I can, yeah.
Clank? Clank? Lombax? What is this place?
Alright, so,
Clank? Maybe someone around
that'll be it for today. And you'll get a video tomorrow. Either this or more Spider-Man. I haven't decided yet. But, see you guys and have a good day.